So let me give a tour of this jungle cottage that we have hired for one night and one day stay. So that's the approaching road. From there we came through this side, and there's a small area where you can just relax with coffee, and everywhere woods, greeneries. Sharing view, yeah. So here, this is the main entrance door. There's sitting area. And we have small corridor which opens the wash area. Pretty decent one. From this corridor is the main room. It's very big. Some sitting places available. So this window opens to the main approaching road outside. You can open this also. Otherwise, these are the extra beds. It can be availed based on additional payment. These cottages are mostly available for 4+1, 4 adults and 1 child. The children's bedroom. Here also is a window, glass window provided, similar to the other one. So altogether staying was quite beautiful, comfortable staying. This is cot number 4, and right from the bottom there you need to climb up. A little bit of difficult thing for old people or ailing people to come up. Otherwise it is okay for normal family and kids. So that is Nandi Hills for you. It is almost 11 and it's time for our checkout. So yesterday we came here at around 1. That was our check-in time, and we have hired this cottage, jungle cottage, for one night stay. And I want to give an honest opinion or feedback about this place, Nandi Hills. Some 45 miles from Bangaluru. A beautiful place. I think it is one of the most underrated travel destination near to Bangaluru city. If you want to spare some serene time or some peaceful time away from all Sor Sarava and traffic congestion, then you may choose this place to come one or day or weekend destination. And there are cottages or some single room also available, and if not, then you can come in the morning or afternoon. You can enjoy the beautiful sunset and sunrise, and the morning time is especially more, I think, enjoyable because of all this fog coming in, and it is very windy. You can say the morning sunrise is one of the most beautiful thing that I have seen near to such a beautiful city, which is famous for its IT hub. People, I think, mostly travel this side during the weekend as a weekend destination, and place is full of greeneries everywhere and soothing sound, tweeting of birds mostly. That was the reason why we opted for this cottage stay. Very nice, beautiful, and there are so many monkeys. You need to take care of your food articles, otherwise it will be snatched within no time. So yeah. absolutely very close to the nature. And here I think somebody, caretaker. For us, it's a memory for the lifetime. If my video adds any value or happiness to your life, don't forget to give a thumbs up, like and comment. Appreciate your time.